Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make do-it-yourself homemade sparklers. You will need a short piece of 100% cotton yarn. Take and cut it, I don't know, maybe between 7 and 8 inches possibly. You will need to mix up a mixture of 36 grams of potassium nitrate with 24 grams of granulated sugar. Take some regular glue and coat the piece of yarn with the glue. Take it and rub it thoroughly around the yarn. Make sure it's well coated. Then put it into the container of potassium nitrate and sugar, and pretty much bread it, if you will, with the mixture. When it comes out, you can gently make sure that the mixture is spread onto the homemade firework very well, and set that aside and let it dry overnight. Now, when you get ready to light your homemade sparkler, take a clothespin, put the dried one, this is one I've finished, into a clothespin and light your sparkler. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.